So we were discussing about infertility. For the removal of infertility or for the to get rid of infertility, these techniques are there. In vitro fertilization means to say fertilization outside the body in almost similar condition as that in the body, following by embryo transfer. ET is one of the such method. Embryo transfer is a technique, right? So test tube baby in this program over from the wife or donor female and sperms from the husband or donor male are collected and are induced to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. Right? The zygote or early embryos with up to 8 blastomeres could then be transferred into the fallopian tube. ZIFT is called zygote intrafallopian transfer, and embryos with more than 8 blastomeres into the uterus. IUT, intrauterine transfer. These are the name of techniques: ZIFT, IUT, test tube baby, right? Complete it's for the development. Sometimes what happen, 8 blastomeres means 8 celled blastula is transferred into the fallopian tube by the ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer. It is a name of technique. And embryo with sometime it takes place, and sometimes what happen, after the formation of embryo in the test tube, that embryo will transferred into the uterus. That is called IUT, intrauterine transfer, right, directly into the uterus. Got it? Because embryo needs nutrition which is provided from the uterus or from the placenta of the female body. Transfer of answer. So two type of transfer takes place. One is the zygote transfer and one is the embryo transfer. It depends on the demand of the female body. So transfer of an ovum collected from a donor into fallopian tube. Gift, GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Listen, all these are the name of technique. Please remember it. Of another female who cannot produce one but can provide suitable environment for fertilization and further development is another method attempted here. Gamete are the transferred into the gametes are transferred into the female body. Clear? Gamete, zygote, embryo, all are different. Remember it. Intracytoplasmic sperm injections is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which sperm is directly injected into the ovum. So here artificial insemination technique, intrauterine insemination technique, all these techniques required extremely, all these are the name of technique. Please learn it. And what are these techniques you should know. You know the artificial insemination you know. I don't need to explain it here. Intrauterine insemination, this is understood by you, I know. So all these techniques required extremely high precision handling by specialized professionals and expensive instrumentation. So the facilities are presently available on only in very few centers in the country. That's why it's not necessary or it's not compulsory, like every person can be afford it. It's not with theirs. That's why our laws permit legal adoption, and it is as yet one of the best method for couples looking for parenthood. The couples who looks for the parenthood and unable to produce their baby or young ones, right? They can legally adopt the child. This is our law, right? Maybe they cannot afford these techniques, artificial insemination, because all these are the very costly and expensive techniques. So they can be use this process also, like they just adopted the baby. If you have heard about Shilpa Shetty has born the baby girl in last before 2 months, before 2 to 5 months before. So how that takes place? It is done by, anybody knows about? It is done by the technique, this by these techniques only, right? Like mm, what they called, They are called just mothers na, who just rent their home, right? So I'll tell you later. So what is India doing to improve women's health, improving family planning services by 2030 by providing more contraception, improve maternal and newborn health care services, to achieve SDG target for MMR of less than 70 by 2030, enhance legislative frameworks, SDG 5, GI has pledged, change policies to address gender biased sex selection, right student, all these are about chapter 4 or your reproductive health. Please make your notes, do NCRT questions and send me your homework as soon as possible before my next class. Got it? So thank you students.